Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Year 5 Mathematics, where our topic will be fractions 2. So what is our learning objective for today? Today we are going to solve multiplication of proper fraction and whole number. So here is an example of some type of fraction where you can see that numerator is less, okay, which is at the top, and then the denominator is more. So what I call this type of fraction, it is proper fraction. So since we know what is the definition of a proper fraction or how a proper fraction looks like, we will move on to whole number. So what is a whole number? Whole number, some of the examples are actually just a number. So for example, 2, 4, 6, or 8, or 100, 7, and so on. Okay? So we know that the symbol for multiplication is as shown here. So what is our learning outcomes? So today, you will be able to multiply. So you should know your multiplication table, and then able to express fraction in its simplest form, remember, by using division. Then change improper fraction to a mixed number, also by using division. Okay, so let's look at example 1. We have here 2 multiply 5 out of 3. So what is my step number 1? We need to multiply whole number with the numerator. So whole number is digit 2, numerator is digit 5. So what is 2 times 5? So you need to list out the multiples if this is necessary. If you already know your multiples or multiplication table, then you can straight away what is 2 times 5, alright? So 2 times 5, the fifth multiple, the answer is 10. So I'm left with 10 out of 3. Now this is improper fraction. So I will be needing to change improper fraction to a mixed number by using division. So 10 divided by 3. Is there any 10 in the multiples of 3? No. So which one are you going to choose? Great. I'm going to choose digit 9. Okay. So 3 at the top minus 9. So I'm left with 10 minus 9. The answer is 1. So remember, answer is a whole number. The remainder is the numerator. So my final answer for this question is 3, 1 out of 3. Remember, your denominator stays the same. So this is my final answer. Let's do another example. Example number 2. 3 times 4 out of 5. So step number 1, we need to multiply whole number with numerator. So this 3 is a whole number times the numerator, which is digit 4. I'm going to list out the multiples if this is necessary for you. If you know your multiplication, if you want to skip this step, go ahead, since you may already know or memorize the multiplication table. Okay, so what is 3 times 4? 3 times 4, the answer is 12. Okay, so 3 times 4, it is 12, so I'm left with 12 out of 5. Now remember, this is an improper fraction because the numerator is much bigger than the denominator. So I will be needing to change this into a mixed number. So that is just step number 3. Change improper fraction to a mixed number. So 12 divided by 5. So which one are you going to choose? I'm going to choose 10, which is the second multiple. So 2 minus 10. So I am left with 2. So my final answer here is whole number, and the remainder should be the numerator. So again, my final answer should be 2 out of 3. Next, let's test yourself. Alright, so 4 times 5 out of 7. You may pause the video if necessary, and you can write down on a piece of paper if you like, and you can answer it on your own first. So are you ready for your answer? Okay, so the answers are as follows here. So 4 times 5 is 20, so I'm left with 20 out of 7. This is called an improper fraction. I will be needing to change it into a mixed number by using division. So 20 divided by 7, I will choose 14, which is the second multiple. So 20 minus 14, the answer is 6. So I am left with 6 out of 7.